thanks for watching another one, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the views and the likes on the first video. This is still weird to me because I don't like watching myself in camera, listening to myself talk. But I'm always working on these little projects, and I just kind of feel like I should record them. And if I share them, maybe someone will learn something from it. I don't know. But yeah, here we are. I wish I could finish up the hardtop, but the weather's pretty bad out, so we're just going to go ahead and help my friend out. He's installing a downpipe on his Mazda Speed 3. And we have a garage today, so that's really nice. So I'm just going to grab some meat and we're going to go do that. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the support. Like, share, subscribe. I'm also on Instagram at the Auto Photographer. I'm a freelance automotive photographer. But I always loved cars and I love photography. And I've been doing photography for such a while now. I just never really knew what I like to photograph or what I like to shoot. I always got bored of like street photography. I like street photography, but it gets a bit tedious after a while. Portraits, landscape. It always bored me, but I love cars. For some reason, I never put the two together, but here we are. But yeah, so let's head on over. Oh, also, quick shout out to my brother for hoarding all this shit in my room. Why is there a supercharger in my bedroom? I sleep here. An exhaust. I mean, that clutch is mine, but everything else is his. Enough is enough.
What's up, Doug?
What's up? Why isn't your car in the garage yet?
Wait. John?
We got a garage. And there's a car in there. Thought you were gonna have it up on Jackson's already. I thought the whole fucking thing was gonna be apart.
Man. So we're supposed to just act natural, right?
Yeah, I don't know how to vlog. Yeah. That doesn't sound bad at all.
That should have kind of clean. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, alright, this kind of looks good. That shit kind of slapped, bro.
Kind of sounds like 6-cylinder-ish.
It does. I want to see it like,
On idle. Yeah, I don't know what it'll sound like though when you hit 180. This license plate really bothers me. Ah, fuck it. I almost forgot my Panera. Oh, I'm hungry.
Style. Dobby, what up?
Man with the garage, what's up?
Good up. How you doing? Yeah. I still want to put the lip splitter in the front, but it's gonna look good. And then I got the side, the side skirt splitter as well. So the back looks. I love the back. It looks. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty much from the mid. I did
Oh, I thought it was just the muffler.
Yeah, no, I removed
the axle back?
I took from the axle back. I removed the resonator for now, and I put just a high flow. Magnaflow exhaust, and made it dual and everything. So, yeah, I mean, it's gonna look nicer when I just touch it up. I gotta get it painted up and stuff, but I got both spoilers and everything, so it's gonna come nice. It's gonna look real ready. Spoilers. Yeah, it's not bad. A little bit. That's not bad. That sounds actually. When I take off, it sounds good, and when I start up and go, it just idle sounds. That sounds really good. I think it's ready for a daily.
Yeah, it's ready for H2O. Right? Finally moving it in. Wow, really near the garage. Where do you want to put them?
I've been putting all the bolts right next to the bumper, like in between the bumper. So with the rear heat shield out, rear heat shield, so it gives us access to that shit.
What are you trying to get?
This bolt back here.
Come on, dog ain't helping with no camera.
Yeah, man, that camera doesn't help for shit.
This man said, here, let me tell me what you're doing right now.
They don't need me. I'm going home, boys. Just kidding. Finally got that 10mm bolt off. Been struggling with it for like, what, half an hour now?
Now we have complete access to the downpipe.
I got 14 half-inch over. Yep, that's it.
I want to put my downpipe already.
Yeah, you could have vlogged it at the same time.
Yeah, but then we wouldn't have gotten anything done.
Yeah. Take turns. Pick up the camera. Talk, put it down, work on the downpipe.
The fuck is that?
Alright, well, I got tasked with picking up the pizza, grabbing some beer. It's fine with me. Out we go. What are you up to?
Taking out the last bolt of the downpipe.
Nice. Shout out Forgotten Boardwalk. Not bad at all. Yeah, I really hate working in tight spaces. It really reminds me of this thing. Which is super dirty. I gotta clean this thing up. But it's winter, it's gonna get dirty again, so I don't really care. Yeah, this is just one of those days where you think you're gonna get something done in like 2 hours and it ends up taking like 6. But what can you do? I love cars, but I hate working on cars. But we'll get it done. Sir Steve over here just joined us.
Yes, sir.
Master welder, what do you think about those welds, man?
Fucking amazing.
You think so? The good welds? Alright. Alright, so now that that's out, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall that. Copy and paste? Direct fitment?
Copy and paste.
Nice.
You know how bitches like that when they get pretty, like to turn a nigga down. That's how I act when I get jiggy. Fuck around and tell them no, I want to fuck a bitch to switch. We out of backwoods.
So he set his phone here, and it fell into that gap, and now it's inside of the fender. The phone belongs to the car now. Sorry, Felipe.
We just gotta remove these 2 bolts right here in the fender and just pop that bad boy out. That's no problem, though.
You came to the rescue. How'd you get it? Oh, you just took the fender liner out.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm trying to record the car blowing up. I just want to hear what it sounds like. How long will you take? Like 8 hours? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, after 8 hours, downpipe is in, test pipe is in, and this is the first startup. Yeah, it's pretty fucking loud, dude. But it sounds sick. And you're just gonna burn off all the PB blaster you put on there. Dude, we have to soak this thing in PB blaster, so that explains all the smoke. We promise you didn't blow it up. We're not that horrible. Oh, dude, I'm getting high off the fumes.
Yeah, we gotta bring the shit outside.